Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a C++ program to sum all the natural numbers. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. First thing first, I will write the comment. So sum natural .cpp. This is the file, and then file name, and then the extension of our program. So next we have here the name of the author, that's me, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Next we will have the date that I wrote this program, October 8, 2019, Tuesday. The time right now in my laptop is 8:41 p.m. Next is the website, my personal website, http://www.jakerpomperada.com. Next, declaration of the library file sharp include iostream using namespace standard int main. The int main is a function in any C++ program that our compiler check and execute when we run and compile our program. Next, declare a series of variable n equals 0, comma sum equals 0, integer. Next, console out, new line, and then we have here the title of our program, \t sum of natural numbers in C++. This is the title of our program. New line, console out, \t horizontal tab, give a number, okay, semicolon, cn for the input. We have here variable n, and then we will declare a looping statement here using for loop for int I equals 1, initial value I less than or equal to n, conditional statement, semicolon, I plus plus increment by 1, begin, sum plus equals I, semicolon, and then we can have here the result. We will display the result in this portion of our code. So console out, \t the total sum is sum, okay, semicolon, copy this new line, console out, \t end of the program. Okay, we are already through, so we can have here summary of our program. So in this portion we declare a series of variables n and sum. We initialize the variable to 0, and then this portion is the title of our program, sum of natural numbers in C++. Next, give a number. It will ask the user to give a number, so we have here a variable n in the cn, and then we have here the for loop statement. In a for loop statement, we have here use a variable I. We have already declared it. The initial value is 1, and then we have your conditional statement I less than or equal to n. I plus plus means increment by 1. So assignment operator sum here will accumulate the value to I of our looping statement close, and then the total sum we will call the assignment statement sum to display the result. After we are through, the next step that we'll do is to compile our program, or press F9 compile. So right now I will create first the folder, new folder, some natural numbers. This is the name of the folder, some natural, double click, some natural .cpp. This is the file name, some underscore natural, and then the extension .cpp. Click the save button. Our compiler right now, C++, is checking for syntax errors. We don't have any syntax errors for the moment. So the next step that we will do is to run our program. Run. Okay, so there is a formatting issue, no, too much, so we will have compile and run, add a new line. So we will have example 5. So the total sum is 15. Okay, total sum is 15. So compile and run. Let's say for example 10. The total sum is 55. So we have already the right result as we are expecting right now, right in our program. So before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I can make some improvements in my upcoming video tutorials in computer programming, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys for watching and in support to my YouTube channel. Until next time guys, this is Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada. Bye bye for now.